Hi, hello friends, good morning and good day. Now we are going to discuss a small live example that has happened, that has come in the New Indian Express on yesterday, that is 7th October 2024. This point, I wanted to make a small video as a live case which has appeared in the New Indian Express yesterday. So before going into the video, I request my viewers and listeners to kindly contribute your support to me by way of like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you are giving me a support to do many small videos in the interest of the public for information and education purposes, right? This is my request. Please like, share and subscribe. Now let us go into the video. This video content is, there is a pharmaceutical company called ENTOD. E capital letters ENTOD Pharmaceuticals. It is a Gujarat based pharmaceutical company. They have advertised on 3rd of September. They called for a press conference and announced in the press conference. They have innovated, they are proud to announce this Gujarat based Indian company has created out of their R&D, they have created a magic eye drops which can enable your eyes to focus on near objects and read the books near objects, and also you can read paper or books without the glass, so without the reading glass. So this eye drops, they claim it is a replacement for reading eyeglasses. Right? You understood, They have discovered and innovated and manufactured an eye drop which can enable the eyes to focus in the near objects without reading glasses. This is the content of this video, right? After they announced, they have also in the press note, they have announced this, as I have explained just now. After that, they have also tweeted in the X. The tweet goes like this. The quote and unquote. A proud Indian innovation that could help millions of Indians see better and to at an affordable price, unquote. Which ఈ కొటేషన్ని ట్విట్టర్లో పెట్టారు కదా, దాన్ని దే హ్యావ్ ట్యాగ్డ్ ఇట్ టు ద ప్రైమ్ మినిస్టర్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ కంట్రీ శ్రీ నరేంద్ర మోడీ జీ. Their statement to the media, they claimed that the eye drops offer an advanced alternative that augments near vision within 15 minutes of application. కంట్లో ఆ డ్రాప్స్ వేయంగానే 15 నిమిషాల్లో మీకు రీడింగ్ అద్దాలు లేకుండానే మీరు చదవగలరు, చూడగలరు నియర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్, రైట్? ఇదన్నమాట వాళ్ళ క్లెయిమ్. దీనికి ఏం చేస్తారు, డ్రగ్ కంట్రోలర్ రెగ్యులేటర్, దట్ ఈస్ సెంట్రల్ డ్రగ్స్ స్టాండర్డ్ కంట్రోల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, CDSCO. I repeat, Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, orders action against ENTOD Pharmaceuticals. The company ఎవరైతే ఆ ఐ డ్రాప్స్ని మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేశారో, గుజరాత్ కంపెనీ, దాని మీద యాక్షన్ తీసుకునే దానికి ఈ సెంట్రల్ ఏజెన్సీ డ్రగ్ రెగ్యులేటర్ CDSCO, they have initiated action, right? ఇది with approval of the competent authority, they have submitted or they have sent this eye drops which they have invented to the competent authority, that is Central Drug Regulator, for their approval. After thorough studies or tests, whatever from the regulator side, after doing their tests and studies, they have approved this eye drops. The name of the eye drop is PresVu, PRESVU, capitals PRESVU. PresVu, the name of the eye drop, manufactured by ENTOD Pharmaceuticals, Gujarat. They submitted all as per the rules, regulations and formalities to the Central Drug Licensing Authority, that is CDSCO, for approval. They have taken reasonable time to test, to study its veracity, the effectiveness of the drug, etc., as per their systems and procedures. After undergoing all these tests, the central agency was convinced, and then they have approved this drug, that is PresVu, on 6th of August. The approval, the company ENTOD Pharmaceuticals received approval from the central agency, drug regulator, approving this drug. They sent the approval license to the company on 6th of August. Then they are jubilant. So they have discovered some medicine, some drug for their countrymen, which will help their eyesight, near vision, betterment of their near vision. They are capable of supposed to read or write or see the near objects without the reading glasses, etc. This they have said it on 3rd of September, going by public, right? Then there was one on 10th September, Babu, a gentleman called Babu, an RTI activist and also an ophthalmologist, said he has flagged that company's tweet was flagged to the CDSO, that is Central Agency, Central Regulator, under RTI provisions. Babu has flagged it to the CDSCO. He says the company cannot advertise a product that will be useful for treatment and curing a particular disease. So this is as per drug and magic remedies, within brackets, objectionable advertisement. As per the law, Drugs and Magic Remedies Objectionable Advertisement Act 1954. దీని ప్రకారంగా వచ్చి కంపెనీ ఉంది, కంపెనీ వచ్చి పబ్లిక్గా అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ కానీ ప్రెస్ రిపోర్ట్ కానీ మా డ్రగ్ వచ్చి ఈ డిసీజ్ని క్యూర్ చేస్తుంది, ట్రీట్ చేస్తుంది, దానికి ఇది రీప్లేస్మెంటు అని పబ్లిక్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్ కానీ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ కానీ చేయకూడదంట. అది ఆ యాక్ట్. సో ఫాలోయింగ్ ద బాబు ఆర్టీఐ, CDSCO, that is central agency, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, India's drug regulator, suspended that is the company ENTOD, manufacturing and marketing permission was suspended, and also asked Gujarat Drug Authority, the CDSCO, Central Agency, asked the Gujarat Drug Authority to take appropriate action under the DMROA Act 1956. Okay. On September 25, వాళ్ళకి పంపించారు, గుజరాత్ వాళ్ళకి, ఈ కంపెనీకి ఢిల్లీలో నుంచి వాళ్ళకి పంపారన్నమాట. ఈ కంపెనీ మీద మీరు యాక్షన్ తీసుకోండి, దే హ్యావ్ వైలేటెడ్ ద డిఎంఆర్ యాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొవిజన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డిఎంఆర్ యాక్ట్ 1956 అని 25వ తేదీకి వాళ్ళకి గుజరాత్కి ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఇచ్చారు, గుజరాత్ డ్రగ్ ఏజెన్సీకి, అథారిటీకి. ఈ డ్రగ్ వచ్చి ఇట్స్ ఏ షెడ్యూల్డ్ అండ్ డ్రగ్ ప్రిస్క్రిప్షన్ డ్రగ్ అన్నమాట. కాబట్టి ద అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ మస్ట్ నాట్ బి దేర్, షుడ్ నాట్ బి దేర్. Drug Control General of India had also sought explanation from the manufacturing company, that is ENTOD Pharmaceuticals. అన్నీ వాళ్ళ ఫార్మాలిటీస్ ఇవన్నీ చూడకుండా ఎట్లా లైసెన్స్ ఇచ్చారండి వాళ్ళే. ఈ కంపెనీ వచ్చి ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ని తయారు చేసిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ R&D స్టడీ, లాట్ ఆఫ్ స్పెండింగ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ మనీ, దే హ్యావ్ టెస్టెడ్ దేర్ ఓన్ మెథడ్స్ and they submitted the samples to the drug controller, and they have taken adequate time or more than reasonable time to study that medicine, the veracity, the effectiveness, the contents, the ingredients, the harmful effects, pros and cons of that medicine, everything they would have shown the licensing authority about the particular drug. Here in our case, Presvu, PRESVU, eye drops, which will replace the reading glasses. That is what this advertisement says. ఇవన్నీ ఆ రెగ్యులేటర్ చూస్తుంటారు కదా, చూసే కదా వాళ్ళకి ఫైనల్గా అప్రూవల్ లైసెన్స్ పంపించుంటారు. ఎస్, యువర్ డ్రగ్ ఈజ్ అప్రూవ్డ్, నవ్ యూ కెన్ రిలీజ్ ఇట్ టు ద మార్కెట్ అని చెప్పి కదా పంపించుంటారు ఏదైనా కానీ. ఇప్పుడు ఎవడో ఒకడు ఆర్టీ యాక్టివిస్టు వాళ్ళ ఆ ట్వీట్ చేసిన ట్విట్టర్లో ఉండే మెసేజ్ని వాళ్ళకి సెంట్రల్ ఏజెన్సీస్కి, డ్రగ్ కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏజెన్సీస్కి పంపిస్తే, ఆన్ ద స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇమీడియట్లీ దే సస్పెండెడ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. వాట్ హ్యాస్ హ్యాపెండ్, ద toil and pains, and they have taken and they have spent lot of money to invent the drug. This is simply whether it is the manufacturer's fault, whether it is the drug license authorities regulator fault, but in the process it gives a very poor picture and image, then it will become a something for a subject for debate. Somebody may laugh also, right? Okay. Babu says, ours is a country where there is a gap between legal and real real life situation. I repeat, Babu says that the activist and ophthalmologist says, in our country, uh, where there is a gap between legal and real life situation of dispensing even prescription drugs across the counter, over the counter. Hmm. Babu welcomed the decision of CDSCO. That is, he has sent that complaint, by flagging the company's tweet in X to Central Drug Standard Control Organization CDSCO పంపించారు కదా. వాళ్ళు తీసుకున్న డెసిషన్కి ఈయనకి సంతోషమైందంట అంత బాబుకి. ఈ వెల్కమ్డ్ ఇట్. రైట్. Now, in general, let us go. The company CEO, what company CEO? ENTOD, the manufacturer of eye drops, Pressview eye drops. He says they will challenge the suspension in the court of law. Naturally, that will be the next step from the company's side. Scheduled drugs cannot be advertised for treatment or cure. Okay, as per the DMR Act. Cannot be dispensed. Scheduled drugs or prescription drugs cannot be dispensed. OTC. OTC means over the counter. But in our place or in our land, that is happening, no stringent and strict regular supervision or punishment. That is why it happens. It can be dispensed only against the medical prescription by the registered medical practitioner as per DMR Act of 1954. So what are the some drugs? I mean, there are many among drugs that cannot be advertised or dispensed across the counter. The following, if just for the knowledge or information of the my Pride YouTube channel viewers. So the drugs that cannot be advertised or dispensed across the counter without a medical prescription. The drugs are like this: drugs for cancer, diabetes, diseases and disorders of brain, uterus, menstrual flow, nervous system, epilepsy, fits, gallstone, kidney stone, bladder stone, heart diseases, high and low blood pressure, venereal diseases, leprosy, obesity, sexual impotence, and tuberculosis. These drugs cannot be advertised and cannot be dispensed over the counter without a medical prescription by a registered medical practitioner, just for information's sake. So, okay, this is all okay. Why this controlling agencies, why this DMR Act, why this CDSCO, why this drug controller general of India, what is this? What is the role they are playing? What is their support to the public or for the manufacturing companies? How they can counsel and guide the people concerned? Is all debatable questions, is it not? There should be take stringent action right from the step one, right? Okay, I cannot comment more than this. I think my viewers and listeners, they are well informed. They understand the situation, and the video concludes. Before that, I request my viewers and listeners వాళ్ళని నమస్కరించి అడుగుతున్నాను. మీరు నన్ను సపోర్ట్ చేసేందుకు ఒక చిన్న పని చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ and hit the bell button so that it will enthuse me, give more support to me to do further small videos for knowledge sake, for information sake. Thank you.